in this video, I am going to empty out my home office so I can start going through things to declutter it, throw things away, get things organized, because I'm going to paint it here and probably do the floors also. But my main goal today in this video is to get every single item off the wall, the desk, everything out of the office so I can start decluttering this mess. So today I'm off and my kids are in school, so it's like 12:30. I should have started earlier, but I did have a couple of projects I had to do before my customer came and pick it up. So took a little nap, and here I am getting ready to get at least half of this out before they come home. And they also leave today with their dad, so I will still have time to do everything tonight to get everything out this office. It's a lot of stuff, like a lot. So yeah, some of this stuff I have to get rid of, sell it, give away, whatever, but I need a more clear, functional office to do my work. Okay, I got half of the side of the office cleared out. Okay, now I gotta get to this side. Okay, so we're almost done. That was a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. The room's down empty. So I just got the closet to do and this side. And this should take really quick. I have a few more minutes to go. It's about to storm and I want to get my babies before it starts raining too hard. I like to spend my time with my kids like mom. But last night I went out with my girls and I came back, went to Home Depot, Lowe's today, did a little shopping so I could get ready to paint this office or this room. I filled in the holes and I see why people don't want nails and things when landlords don't want people to nail things in their wall. It's like so many holes was in this wall. But again, I lived in this home for 12 years. This room has been transformed 3 times. So yeah, I filled them in, get ready to prep my paint and my baseboards, and I'm going to paint my office. So I am cleaning the baseboards first before I put the green tape on, because they're pretty dirty and dusty. And then I'm going to start painting here once the whole billows dries. And yeah, I'm using the pink stuff. I just started using this, the spray. So now this is my first time using the paste. So far it looks white and clean. So I like this so far. We said to get these baseboards done. So I'm tired already, and I didn't even start painting. But I did, let me show you. The holes I filled, they're dry, so they're white now. I covered my baseboards with the frog green tape, and that can't come off. I had to figure that out, have somebody professional do that. But I did that. I cleaned inside the windows, the blinds, even my ceiling fan, I cleaned it. And I swept the floor. I did this door, it was dirty. You gotta use the pink stuff, clean that up. So I'm gonna be ready to paint it black. My ceiling, I gotta paint the ceiling and I gotta change that lighting fixture. But my ceiling is already white. It's gonna go over some, and I'm gonna paint this black. I have to change this. I think I'm gonna put the piece back on here because I don't wanna put more holes in my walls, but I'll probably put that back together. That was there. And that's it. So far, so good. I cannot wait till it is done. I didn't even start painting yet and I've spilled it. And it got on my sock, but oh well. Let's see. Well, I'm gonna change these floors anyways, but damn. Let me start painting. Okay, paint is cleaned up. Putting down a new sheet. My old video, I threw away a lot of stuff, but I kept a lot of sheets and blankets for this reason, to paint and cover the floors with. So This came in handy. I got a few more that I'm gonna use. And yeah, time to start painting. Get my music on and paint. So I'm gonna let it dry. The first coat, I'm gonna go over this because I am getting hungry. It's like 7 p.m. But this is how it's looking so far. And I love it. I did the back of the door because I'm gonna do the front later also. The room is good and dry. I did go over little touches this morning before I went to church. I have to go over the baseboards now with the white paint and touch that black lining up. And then I have to paint the ceiling in here white because that is pink. And change the light fixture. I have to order new covers because I wanted me some pretty ones. And I think that's it. I tried to take this doorknob off, but I'm gonna have my brother-in-law do it. It was hard, I don't know why. So he gave me a new doorknob, and I finished painting the bottom. And once that is dry and perfect for me, it's gonna be time to do the floors. So that will be in another video, because I'm taking these off and putting new ones down. So, time to paint the white ones.
It was all over.
So I got my Tony Gaskins. I'm listening to. I'm getting ready to paint the white bottom, baseboards, whatever. So I got the wrong paint base. And I'm gonna take this right back because I'm gonna get my money back and get the right kind. We don't feel like driving, Lord. But I gotta get this done today. So I'm going back to Home Depot to grab the paint. Well, I got this from Lowe's. I'm taking back to Lowe's tomorrow. And I'm going to Home Depot to get some paint. It's closer. Ooh, so I just came from Home Depot and I got the right paint. This is what the guy said. This time I asked. I don't know why I asked last time, but It's actually cheaper too. So let me get starting because my children will be home soon. Final look for the office. Paint. I just have to do that. But this is how it looks. The door closed. Oh, I like that. Yes, sexy. And the paint job is done. Let me show you the closet. I painted that white. I have to do that lighting fixture. And that is it. So that's it for this video. The next video is going to be me taking up these floors. Well, me and my boys taking up these floors and putting new stick and peel tile on the floor. So hope to see you soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to watch my journey.